Did you know that nearly 280 million people worldwide suffer from depression? Can adopting a minimalist lifestyle really be the key to overcoming this? Let's find out. Hi, and welcome back to Modern Minimalism, where we help you create a peaceful and efficient lifestyle through the art of minimalism. Minimalism isn't just about having fewer things, it's about making space for what truly matters. As more people discover the benefits of this lifestyle, its popularity continues to grow. But could it also be a solution to one of today's most pressing mental health challenges? Depression? Let's talk about depression. It's a serious mental health condition that affects millions of people globally. With the constant bombardment of social media, the pressure to keep up with consumer culture, and the overwhelming pace of modern life, it's no wonder so many people are struggling. Depression can feel like a never-ending cycle of sadness, fatigue, and hopelessness. But what if the way we live our lives, the way we fill our spaces and spend our time, could influence our mental health? Before we dive deeper, if you find our content helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more insights on minimalist living and well-being. Now let's explore how clutter, consumerism, and materialism can contribute to feelings of overwhelm and depression. 1. Clutter. A cluttered space can lead to a cluttered mind. The constant visual reminders of disorganization can create a sense of chaos and stress. Research has shown that cluttered environments can increase levels of the stress hormone cortisol, which can contribute to feelings of anxiety and depression. 2. Consumerism. We're constantly encouraged to buy more, own more, and upgrade our possessions. This endless cycle of consumerism can lead to financial stress, environmental guilt, and a feeling of emptiness as we chase after material satisfaction that never lasts. 3. Materialism. Social media and advertising promote a materialistic mindset, making us believe that happiness comes from owning the latest gadgets, fashion, or home decor. This focus on material possessions can detract from the things that truly bring joy and fulfillment, such as relationships, experiences, and personal growth. So, how can minimalism help? By focusing on what truly matters and eliminating the excess, minimalism can create a sense of calm and clarity. Here are a few potential benefits of adopting a minimalist lifestyle for mental well-being. 1. Reduced stress. By decluttering your space, you reduce the visual noise and stress that comes with it. A clean, organized environment promotes relaxation and focus. 2. Increased focus. With fewer distractions, you can concentrate better on tasks and hobbies that bring you joy and fulfillment. This can lead to a greater sense of achievement and purpose. 3. Improved relationships. Minimalism encourages you to prioritize relationships and experiences over possessions. Spending quality time with loved ones can significantly boost your mood and emotional well-being. Kindly hit that like and subscribe button for more minimalist content like this. Embracing minimalism can have a profound positive impact on your mental health. By reducing stress, increasing focus, and fostering better relationships, minimalism offers a path to clarity and peace in a chaotic world. I'd love to hear your thoughts on minimalism and mental health. Have you noticed any changes in your well-being after adopting a minimalist lifestyle? Share your experiences in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more content on lifestyle and well-being. See you in this next video that you'll love.